the shell feature. The shell feature can be found over here in the modify box. We can click on shell, and then your shell options will appear in this dialog box on the right. It requires you to select a face or body. In this case, we're going to select this face, and it's now given us a entry input field where we need to enter a thickness. In here, I'm going to enter 3 millimeters. You can also click and drag this arrow to change the size of the inside thickness. Changing this now to 3 millimeters and pressing the enter key or clicking OK over here. This will shell the three-dimensional object with a 3 millimeter wall thickness on all sides. This is a nice, easy, fast way to make a box.